Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax here in Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Aviara dealer here in South Florida. What a beautiful brand. This is a new 32 Outboard 2024 model here with a gorgeous gray and white exterior. Very progressive styling. It's a wonderful brand. We've had such great success with it here in South Florida. They're day boats, but they run like center consoles offshore. They're unbelievable. This one's powered by a pair of 300 V8s from Mercury with joystick piloting. These are a high-end finished boat, just high-end components everywhere you look. Gorgeous sea deck. Nice seating options here. They call it stadium seating. Those backrests are hydraulic, so they lift up just to give you some different options when you're at the sandbar. You have a make-fast shade that comes out of the beautiful hardtop. Look at the billet speaker covers even. They're all aluminum. Nice, easy walk through and lots of countertop space. You have a sink in here. You have coolers everywhere that pull out. This is cool feel vinyl. It does not get hot. The boats are very deep, so they're very safe. A lot of freeboard on them. Double helm seat here. All your electronics is actually standard from Simrad. Automatic trim tabs on this one. It has the chilled cup holders here as an option as well. And they did a centerline head on this boat, which gave them lots of headroom in here. It's probably over 6 feet. You can stand up here. It's a changing area, but it also shows you how deep the boats are. Walking through to the bow. Again, even look at the billet aluminum block-off door. Nice seating area here. You're very deep in the boat. The kids will feel safe up here. Concealed windlass. Gorgeous windshield frame. Everything just flows so nicely. The attention to detail is amazing. Again, these are built in Florida. What a wonderful brand we have here with Aviara. You actually have an electric hatch that opens up here as well, so you can get to your batteries, any items in the bilge. Just want to show you one thing real quick. When you actually have gas shocks on their hatches here. Another high-end cooler, and almost looks like a little Louis Vuitton stitching underneath the seats here. Again, this is a 2024 Aviara 32 Outboard. This is MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. My name is Tyler Hill. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.